Hello, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 20. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet and tap Add to Wallet button. Now focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's go to Transit Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card and select shop you would like to add to your Google Wallet account. For example, let's pick Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card because you have to select Shop again, then card number, PIN, balance, your notes, and in the end tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet, where you can manage them. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.